Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to track your order on Temu. First of all, you can open the Temu application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the U option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see the option your orders. Tap on it, and here you can see your orders here. In my case, I cannot order anything on Temu, so you cannot see any order on my Temu screen. You can see your orders here. You can just simply tap on the track button that is next to your order. After this, you can see all of the details, that is tracking number and where the package is arrived and all of the other things. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.